In this video, we are going to see how we can change the TikTok profile picture that is right here. As you can see that I haven't set any profile picture yet. So if you want to set it, it's a very easy process. All you have to do is just move to your profile from the bottom right hand corner and head over to your profile. And under this profile, you will see this edit button. So click on that, and from here you will get the option to change your photo. You can also change your username, add your bio and other stuff like that. So click on change photo and we click on upload a photo, and there we have it. Click on next and the photo will be saved, and it will ask you the option to save and post the photo. So you can save and post. And now let's move to our profile. And as you can see, my profile is now updated with the new profile picture. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.